Hello, I'm Susmitha Siddi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I make videos on skincare, makeup and clothing haul. So take a moment and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that whenever I post new videos, you'll get updated. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do that 10-step Korean skincare routine, and I'll also share my experience and what results I noticed at the end of this video. So let's just jump into this video. So first, what you have to do is you have to seal your hair, or you can put a hairband, and I'm using a fancy hairband as it's my YouTube video. So first we have to remove my makeup. For that, I'm using this faceshop rice water cleansing lotion. So just first shake it and take one pump. I didn't do any base makeup, so one pump is enough, but if you're doing any base makeup like foundation, concealer and heavy makeup, you can use 2 to 3 pumps. So what you can do is just rub with this lotion, and the makeup dissolves everything, and after that you can wipe it off with a cotton ball or pad, or you can wash your face with water. See, everything is dissolving, right? See, everything is coming off. Just gently wipe it with a cotton ball or pad and then wash your face. So I have removed my visible makeup, and then I'll be using this face wash from faceshop rice water bright foaming cleanser. It is a popular face wash from the faceshop brand, and I'm gonna use this. Before using any face wash, we have to wet our face and then use this face wash. My face is now wet and I'm gonna apply this face wash. Oh, I've used it totally, and now I have to squeeze. I don't like to waste my products, so I have squeezed it and I've got this much, and this is enough. Rub it on your face for 1 minute. And now that I have washed with a face wash, I'm wiping that water. Now that I have completed the face wash and using a makeup remover and then face wash, this is called that double cleansing routine. So if you are wearing makeup, you can use the double cleansing, or a single cleansing, that is using face wash, is enough. So don't be harsh to your facial skin. Just use a cotton towel and dab it. That's it. Don't drag or something. Don't do that kind of things, as it may hurt your facial skin. Now that my face is clean, but still I want exfoliation, so in the third step we'll use a facial scrub. Here I'm using the Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub from the Face Shop. See the color. So this much of the scrub is totally enough, because it's so much, I think. So now that I am dry, now we'll use this on my face. Just scrub it for 1 minute. This is enough. When I apply this facial scrub, I feel that it is giving me a warm sensation, as if it is something chemical inside it, but no, it just has black sugar, honey and such kind of stuff. But still, it removes your dead skin cells and gives you a brighter skin, like glowing skin. And also I like to use this scrub on my lips. So let it be some damp. The fourth step, I'll use this chia seed hydro toner from faceshop brand. So everything is mostly from faceshop and Innisfree. So 2 pumps is enough. Don't do in this motion, just dab it on your skin. This promotes good circulation and gives you that plumpy skin. If you do like this, just slap your face. Toner helps your skin to absorb the remaining products very easily into your skin. So, and also toner will help your skin to be tight. I've completed the 4th step. We'll go on to the 5th step, that is sheet mask. So here I'm using the Nykaa sheet mask. It is the Rise Plus Camellia for nourished and radiant skin. So every day you have to not use sheet mask. You can use when you have a dehydrated skin or something like that. I'm not big fan of sheet mask really. If you're a big dry skin type girl, then you will become a fan of sheet mask because of that dryness on your skin. This is a task, guys. You have to remove the sheet mask and apply. Now that wait for 15 minutes and you can remove the sheet mask after 10 minutes or 15 minutes and you can go on with other steps. Sorry for talking like this, but I'm using the sheet mask now. I can't even laugh. After 15 minutes, I'll see you right back in this video. So after 15 minutes, I have removed my sheet mask and just massage this serum into your skin. From 10 to 15 minutes in between you can remove your sheet mask, but more than 15 minutes you should not put it on your face, as it may again lead to dehydration. If you have a jade roller or gua sha, you can even use those beauty tools to make this serum get absorbed into your skin very nicely. So in the 6th step, we'll be using a serum which is from faceshop, the White Seed Brightening Serum. So I'm just taking 1/4 pump, only this much amount, and just again dab it on your skin, on your neck as well. So at this point you may feel a little heavy, but after 15 to 20 minutes then you won't feel heavy at all on your skin. The products will get absorbed into your skin after 20 minutes or so. So don't feel that you'll tend to get breakouts. Don't feel like that. And I'll also tell you which products should be used for which skin type at the ending of this video. And next, in the 7th step, I'm using this chia seed moisturizing, like this is a moisturizer. It is a hydro cream. It is a vitamin B12 hydro cream. So I like this product. It suits combination normal dry skin, and oily skin also can use it, but I'll tell you at the end of this video which products can be used. So I'm using this much amount. Just rub it onto your face. So after this we'll be using a eye cream. Here I have this Innisfree green tea eye serum. This is an eye and face bond. You can use it even on your face, but I just use it as an eye cream. So after pumping, a little product is enough. Just massage it like this. So in the 9th step, I'm going to use a sleeping mask. I'm taking a tiny amount, not more, not so much. You can take this much amount. This cream is like hell soft and it gives you baby skin, very soft skin. I love this sleeping mask. You will immediately feel your skin as a baby soft skin after applying this sleeping mask. I highly recommend this sleeping mask. In the 10th step, we'll be using a lip moisturizer. It's not from Korean brands, but I don't have any Korean brand lip butter or lip balm. Just take tiny amount and apply it on your lips. And for tint, you can even apply a lip tint. Here I have this Etude House Dear Darling lip tint. And if you want a lip tint, you can apply or else no. But for video, I'm gonna apply. So that I have completed the 10-step Korean skincare routine, I'm gonna share my thoughts on this routine. So firstly, when I started off with skincare, I used this 10th step and I used it for 2 or 3 months and I have really observed the results. It really changed my skin and gave me that glowing skin. I'm just not telling on this for purpose or anything, and this is not at all sponsored video. It's my real thoughts about this 10-step Korean skincare routine, and really I like this routine. And if you are a dry or normal combination, you can just go grab these products and apply it on your skin and follow it for at least 3 months until you finish all those products, and you will surely see the results. And if you already used chemical exfoliants, I would say that it won't show so much results, because chemical exfoliants are more effective than this Korean skincare products, because they are having heavy actives and very strong ingredients. But I would not compare with the chemical exfoliants or any type of skincare, because you know, this is different and that's different. And yeah, you can actually follow this, and it gave me very brighter and glowing skin. And you will also achieve a glass skin if you follow this religiously. And I would recommend this 10-step Korean skincare in winters rather than summers, because in summers you will already get oily and sweaty. In winters it will be dry skin, so you can use these products and you can give your skin a very much hydration and moisture to your skin. And yeah, it's your choice, you can choose, and all the links will be mentioned in the description, so go to the description box and check it out. And my Instagram ID is here, so you can go and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.
To watch these videos, please click on these videos. Bye bye.